Good morning, students. Today we start data visualization, in which we are studying about the pie chart. Okay, just revised of previous classes. What is the data visualization? It means show the data in the form of pictorial. What is the purpose of visualization? Then plotting of library, which library is used for matplotlib and the pyplot. Then features, drawing of chart, maybe a pie, bar and different. Customization, it means requirement, as per the requirement. This is beautification. As per the requirement, we specify the argument of a function. For example, color, x bar, y bar, title. Save the data. Then how to install. These are the different type of plots. Line plot we have done, bar done, histogram last class we have done, then scatter done. Then today we have pie chart. What is the line chart? This one. Bar. The bar function is used for create the bar chart. Histogram use the HIST. These are the features this we have done. Today we have start the pie chart. Okay. A pie chart or graph is a specialized graph used in statistics. Okay, to analyze the data. Okay, it is mainly useful for the economics. Okay, the independent variable is plotted around a circle. Okay, the pie chart means the data will be represented in a circle, in the form of circle, and divided as per the data, percentage of data. The pie chart shows the proportionals and the percentage between the categories. By dividing a circle into proportional segments and parts. Okay, means the data will be shown in the form of circle. This is the 360 degrees and divided the data as per the percentage of proportional. Each arc length represents a proportional of each category. The sum of whole partition is equals to 100%. Okay, it is called the pie chart. This is the pie chart. This is the example of pie chart. This one. Clear? It means data is represented in the form of circle, and there are 4 data: candidate 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the each is divided proportionally or percentage of as per the needed. Okay, this is like a pizza, and we part the pizza. For example, there are 3 friends. The first friend we give 50% pizza, and then 25 and 25, something this one. Okay, then this type of is created. For example, this is the 100%, and we give 50% of first friend. This one is 50%, and second again 25. This type of pie, and addition and sum of all the partition is 100%. Again, for creating pie chart, we import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. The basic for any graph we have to import this one. Clear? Then which function is used to create or draw the pie? This is plt.py. Okay, just revise. Histogram, we use the hist. The Python is case sensitive. Just remember hist. For bar, clear scatter function, and for pi function is used for create the pie chart. Okay, then this one, the size, this is the data, then the size, this one. For example, there are 4 candidates candidate 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 data, and these are the vote: 315, 130, 245, 210. And we also define the colors, different color: gold, candidate 1 gold, then yellow, green, light color. Then these are the different types of color we have decided. Then what is the need of this one? What is this one? Explode. Explode means if you want to some portion to the outside from the circle. For this one, just check the candidate 1 is just outside from the circle. Clear? This is called the explode. We have write point 1 for which candidate 1. Okay. And other for others we have just write 0, 0, 0. That's why they are not outside and explode from the original pi. Okay. Just check, then I will explain all the parameters. And this one, this is size. Okay, explode, it means explode is this one. Candidate 1 will be the explode, otherwise no one. Then labels, this is the labels. Okay, just check. Explode, it means candidate 1. Done. This is exploded, this one and this one. Okay, and other is not explode. Then next one is labels. Labels means the first one is candidate 1, 131. This is candidate 1, candidate 2, 3, and 4. Clear? Then colors. Candidate 1, this is 1-to-1 mapping. Candidate 1 gold. Then this one, and this one. Then next, very important, this one. What is auto fact? What is the auto fact? Okay, it means this is used for calculation of this one: 35%, 23.3%. Then how to calculate? This is called the this of. In case if I write this one, I am write this one percent 1.1 f. This is the format. Clear? The main, what is the meaning of 1.1? It means f for floating. It means the calculation, after the calculation data will be shown in the floating. That's why it is like 33.3, 35, 14.4, 22.2. Then I write 0.1. It means after decimal it will take the one digit. Okay, if I write here 2, it means after the calculation in which the overall is 100%, and it will take the proportional. Clear? And then after the take the proportional, it will take the 2 digits after the decimal point. Just check. I change it. I write 1.2 and run. Okay. This is 33.22, 35.00. This is 23.33. Okay, it means after decimal all take the 2 digits, because we have write 1.2f. It's clear. If I write this one is d, d for it will take. If I write f, f means float. If I write d, it means it will take the only integer portion. Just check. It's clear. 34, 23, 27, 14. Only take the integer portion. But after we are addition of this one, it will maybe a not 100%, because the after floating point will be a removed. Okay, this one. That's why we are always using the because we have need the accurate data, then we are using the float. Okay. Then next, which parameter is used? Shadow. Shadow equals to true. Just check what is the shadow. It means it will show the shadow. Watch carefully. This is the shadow. Okay. If I write shadow equals to false, by default it is false. If I write false, then run. Okay, the shadow is removed. There is no any shadow. Okay, this is as per your need. If you want to display shadow, then this one as per your need. Okay, then what is next is start angle. Why start angle? Because we know the circle, the angle of circle is 180. No, sorry, 360, and we can rotate this one. Just check. Rotate means we can say we can easily move the circle. For example, this one. Now the candidate one is displayed this side. This is the candidate one. When we move this one, if we are right start angle just 140, it means the angle of candidate one we move from their position. Let's check. The first it is in this the candidate one. Now this one we have right 40. It means it is moved from 100 degree. This is useful for rotate the because it is like a ball. Then this is the start angle. It means from which angle we want to display. Okay. If you are not giving any angle, then just check. Then this is start from 0. This way. Okay. This is the default. I think these are called the attribute of pie, pie chart. This one is okay. Next is we are using plt dot axis equals. It means with the this argument the chart will be a accurate circle. It means equally divided into x-axis and y-axis. If we are not using the axis equals, then it may be an oval shape. It may be not 100%, but maybe a oval shape. Clear? If we want to divide the axis equally, then we have to write plt dot axis equals, and the last one is plt dot show. It is a compulsory to display any graph. I think it is clear. The next one is, again, it's a beautification of chart. Then pie chart customization, most of we have done. The first one is using the start angle parameter. This is used to rotate the pie chart by a specific number of degrees. Clearly, the rotation is clockwise. It is always clockwise. It will be moved and performed on x-axis of pie chart. And next, we already have done shadow. Shadow effect can be provided using the shadow parameter. In a pie chart, it must be true. Otherwise, the shadow will not be displayed. The second, the way this one, this is for color. The next is setting the frame argument to true. The axis frame is drawn around the pie chart. Next one is autopact of the arc function. Control how the percentage are displayed in this one. It means this one, for example, 0.1 f, it means the floating, and after decimal it will show the 1 digit, and this one in floating points, and after decimal it will take the 2. For integer, only integer portion we have to want to display, then we write the d. Clear? These are the customization of pie chart. Then remaining is same. X-axis label by this is the labels, colors, clear, titles. But in this one there is no X label and Y label, because we are not using the X-axis and Y-axis. We are just using the labels to show the titles of particular portion. Okay, this one is our pie chart. The next class we are doing the frequency polygon. This is a frequency polygon and matplotlib function graph box plot. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day.